Let's talk about perception is projection for life coaches. To understand perception is projection, consider the filtering processes of generalisation. In an earlier example, we considered the usefulness of generalisation when looking at a door and how we might use generalisations we made about one door is as an efficient method of understanding how all doors work. When we come to another door, rather than relearning the concepts and its function afresh, we refer to the map we made earlier and apply that map or project it onto this new door. Thus, we believe this new door is just like the door in our map. That is to say, it has the same properties and will behave exactly the same ways as the last door. With something as simple as doors, these processes generally really work pretty well. People, however, are entirely more complex than doors. At least most of them are. In order to understand our world, we attempt to apply meaning to it. Or if we accept that each of us is a unique human being and that each person's map of the world is also unique in order to understand our worlds, we attempt to apply meaning to them. Each of us attempts to apply our own meanings to our world in order to understand it. In order to understand other people, we attempt to apply meaning to their actions, their behaviours and their communications. However, as incredible as we are as human beings, we are limited in our ability to truly understand other human beings, why they do the things that they do, why they say the things they say, and what they truly mean when they do and say them. The only way we could truly understand another human being would be to actually become them, to be born as them, grow up as them, to have exactly the same experiences, thoughts, environment, and influence as them. Tools which we use to get around these limitations include our imagination and our ability to use our map of reality to project meaning onto external objects and events. These are useful tools, but they too are limited in that the projections we make, the meanings we ascribe to us and the world around us, and the understandings of it are generated from within. We project ourselves onto the world. We see things not as they are, but as we are. Acceptance of the concepts of the map is not the territory, and perception is projection. Significantly increases our abilities to use our sensory input channels maximally and clearly. To communicate more effectively and to bring to bear a new and beneficial attitude of wanton curiosity which will lead us in the direction of all manner of new and fascinating discoveries. By respecting the other person's model of the world, or even willingly stepping outside our own model and engaging momentarily with them in their model of the world, our potential for interpersonal communication increases exponentially. Countless opportunities for learning and growth will present themselves to us if we can only suspend our own beliefs and attitudes for even a short while. By resisting our natural inbuilt inclination to see the world as we are, and to instead to see it as it is, or even see the world as others see it, we not only focus our sensory and mental apparatus more usefully and productively, we actually stand to benefit from innumerable opportunities to continually enrich our own impoverished model.